Hi everybody. So here, just recording some really nice snowfall. Not a huge storm, just a couple inches on the ground. So I'm just gonna walk around my neighborhood just to give you just a little taste of winter from Boston or Boston area. I live just north of Boston, just outside of Boston, here in Malden. This is the most snow we've had this winter season so far. I think the total might be around 3 or a little over 3 inches, with a little bit here and there that we've gotten. But yeah, this is actually the most in from one system that we've had. I'm gonna cross the street here. So yeah, temperature has been hovering around freezing, a little over freeze, about 33, sometimes 34. So it's very heavy. It's a wet snow, heavy wet snow. So yeah, just gonna take you around. It's very pretty. I've been in Boston for about 12 years now, and I like seasons, and I like everything, every season, and every weather that happens in every season. That's why I love it up here. That's why I've been here for more than a decade. And it wouldn't be winter without snow. Let me tell you, I rather deal with the slush and snow boots and whatnot, you know, than just being gray and brown and not have anything. And we've been having rainstorms like every Friday for the past month. We might get another one next Friday. So yeah, this is a really nice surprise. My hands are already freezing because I forgot my gloves. So I'm just gonna go around the block. This street's kind of busy. So this morning, actually, I woke up and there was another band that was falling. It was actually very nice, but I couldn't make it out. But I knew this other man was coming and approaching. So just wanted to come out. It's very nice and peaceful. It's just, I love it. I love this. This is what I like. I'm glad that we have it. Seems like a lot, but it's not actually. It's actually compacted, so if it was fluffier and it was colder, it would have been. A lot of people have cleaned. I think I'm gonna cross the street and go around this block, but there's so much water. All right, here we go. I just changed direction and now the wind is hitting me, hitting my face. My hands are now colder. See, this is a type of snow that when you step on it, because it's cold, but it's not like freezing cold, that once you step on it, you kind of start melting it, compressing it and melting it. It's really, really beautiful. Let you enjoy this. It looks like a lot of folks have cleaned up their sidewalks. I just did our sidewalks as well. So it doesn't seem like there's a lot of snow. But it's just because, as you can see, people have actually shoveled their sidewalks. People are good about doing that. Oh, actually, there's a park. You know what? I'm gonna go to that park and go turn around. Okay, the show was here. This one right here. So I'm gonna. Oh, wow, it's already 5 minutes. Sorry, y'all. I'm just gonna go around to the park. There's a park next to the street, and then so you can see a little bit more the white stuff. This is the type of snow that sticks to everything because it is so wet and heavy. So I'll turn around here. Oof, my hands are freezing. See, this one is already. See, I love when it sticks to the trees and. The park is right over there. Let's see how it looks. Of course, I did not put on my snow boots. There's the park. Behind, and I think I'm recording them. There is a walkway around here. Look how nice it looks. There's a little path here. I'm gonna go around. My shoes are gonna get all wet. You know what's interesting is that these trees actually keep a lot of their leaves during the winter. So that's really interesting. Man, this is so pretty. I think the path goes around here somewhere. Look at that. Sorry, I'm sniffling. Ooh, the snow just got heavier. So there we go. Let's see if I can. There's a little zoom right there. I think the path is this way. Just gonna cross. Go back. Oh. I'm so sorry that you have to hear all my sniffles. Ooh, this is slushy here. This is what gets you all wet if you're not wearing. Oh, this is another tree that has green leaves. It's kind of like a bush tree. It has a lot of. Yeah. They look like little balls of cotton. That is pretty. is intensified. It just really looks nice. I don't know what this is, but this is some sort of art. Wow. Look at this, y'all. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that. There's people playing in the snow with their kids. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, my hands are freezing. I forgot to bring my gloves. I don't know why. But anyways, thank you all for watching this. I hope you enjoyed. It is beautiful here in Boston. We finally got some snow and some snow accumulations. It is supposed to get warm again and then rainstorm. So who knows if this will only last, you know, a few days or whatnot. But this is the beauty of the now. And the right now is the most important part for me right now, and definitely salivating over this beautiful weather. Thank you all. Peace out.